Hi, my name's Ellie. I left school during the COVID pandemic and it was a bit of a strange time, to be honest. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I started at college but I didn't really enjoy it. I didn't really find that I was that engaged. I just wanted to try something more hands-on. I started looking for jobs and I approached the local estate agents and asked if they needed an apprentice. They agreed to take me on and introduce me to Learning Curve Group. I enrolled on their junior estate agency course and I really loved it. I now get to study on the job, which means I'm learning while I'm working and I never get bored. Instead of reading something in a textbook, you get to deal with it every day. It's like the world has become my classroom and Learning Curve Group support is always available when I need it. Without them, I wouldn't have had any of these experiences. And now I've even been offered a full-time job at the end of my studies. It's been life-changing.